sleep last night.
Why is that?
Because I was trying to figure out how the boys lost the offering.
Well, I guess the girls put more offering in.
Nope.
No?
Nope, that's not why we lost.
What happened?
I figured it out.
Oh, this is going to be good. What happened?
There was a man in the back,
Yeah?
and he was asleep
Yeah?
during the offering. He got the song wrong. He got the song wrong. Yeah, they were playing the song, I'm diving in. He said he was here to death. I'm snuggling in. He got it wrong.
Well, maybe tonight.
Will somebody please go make sure he's awake tonight?
He's awake.
Okay, he's awake.
We're good.
Hey, there's lots of new people here, adults. Ooh. They need to dig deep in their pockets and not for the lint either.
Are you excited?
Me?
Okay, put the lint in too. Does it count?
No, lint does not count. We need those Benjamin Franklins.
Okay. Okay. So.
Need them to roll in.
So if the girls win tonight, which is highly probable, what's going to happen?
Well, wait a second. Your probability is way off.
Way off. Why? Didn't the girls win last night?
Pardon me. Hold up. Wait a second.
What?
Who won the first night?
The boys, but you know, we're not. The most recent win should count for something, right?
No, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard you trying to teach math the other day.
Hateful. Okay, who's gonna win tonight? Okay, now we'll do that in a minute, so we all know what's happening with that. Raise your hand if you have gotten a prize this week. Anybody get a prize this week? Okay, so there are a lot of people that are tonight when you came in, your name went back in the basket, and tonight we will draw one more names off for prizes, okay? Also, what do I have right here? So in a few minutes, Sister Leslie's going to say who can say their scriptures, and if you can... What?
That gum was awful. Yeah, they were chewing it and pulling it out of their mouth. It was up on the ceiling. No comment. Actually, mine came off the bottom of the chair. Hey, wait a second. Why are you oohing? Did you see what that crazy nut doctor ate last night?
That's true. That's true. He was eating. What did he eat last night? That doctor. Heartworm.
And then he said he needed Alfred. He said
what?
He said he needed Alfredo sauce for worms.
Yeah, okay, so in a few minutes, if you can say your scripture, what do you get? And then, if you volunteer and you get chosen to help in the scripture relay, what do you also get? Candy. All right, so in a minute, we're going to take up the offering, and who's going to win? Okay, Alfred, it's nice to see you. We'll see you later. Bye.